welcome back to my channel. I am Parinita Suman and today I will be talking about a very important topic जिसके लिए काफ़ी requests आए हैं हमारे channel पे on how to get into top product based company, how to get into Mang and tech companies. So I'm sure this video is going to be very informative and helpful to all the developers and engineers and whosoever who is willing to join top product based companies. So make sure to watch this video till the end and like and comment if you find it interesting. In this video I will be talking about a tech interview coaching named as Hey Coach and about every single detail related to it. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Now you must be wondering Hey Coach क्या है and how it is going to benefit you. So Hey Coach provides personalized tech interview coachings for all the developers to join Mang and product based companies. Coaches from different Mang and top product based companies teaches DSA and system design to become you more efficient problem solvers and join top product based companies easily. Now let's talk about the founders of Hey Coach. So the founders of Hey Coach are Pratik Kapasi and Aditya Kamath. Pratik has worked on the core Google search code base, improving the efficiency and reliability of the search engine. He has also built and led successful scaling of Razorpay products like Root and Partners used by 1 million users today. And on the other side, Aditya has worked as an ex-employee in LinkedIn and DirectD. Aditya has managed 3+ petabytes of data as senior SRE, building critical data infrastructure to support features like people you may know and jobs you may be interested in. He has also built tech to handle more than 1 million domain registration requests. Now the question is why DSA and system design program? So the candidates are tested and interviewed based on these concepts in the interview by Mang and top product based companies, and they are expected to have good foundation in programming languages and be efficient problem solvers. So this course helps you achieve all the become expert in programming languages and be efficient problem solvers. So this course is very helpful for all the developers and to all the engineers and to all the people who are willing to join tech industry. Now we will be discussing about the prerequisites of this program. So first point is all engineers and anyone with an aptitude and drive to become a software developer is welcome to apply. Second is any working professional in the IT domain looking to upskill in DSA and system design. Third is prior programming knowledge is mandatory to enroll for the program. So you need to have prior programming knowledge before enrolling for this program, and this program is taught on the basis of pseudocode. So classes are language independent. The logic and approach that is taught can be converted into the programming languages of your choice to solve problems. So these are the prerequisites which you need to know before applying for this program. And let's see the selection process, how you can be selected for this program and all. So the first there are 3 steps. First is counseling, second is eligibility test, and third is screening. So for the counseling part, the dedicated learners consultants screen the candidate's profile and guide them to understand more about the program, which is I guess very helpful for all the candidates who wants to join. And second is eligibility form. In this stage the candidates are then asked to write an SOP, statement of purpose, which is SOP is statement of purpose, to express their intent to the admissions panel. You are also required to mention your tech skill sets, total work experience if you have any, and past projects where you have worked earlier. So this is the second point. And the last third point is screening. So the screening panel reviews the eligibility forms and may invite the candidate for an interview. where they are asked to about their professional journey and what drives them to join Hey Coach. So these are the selection process, counseling, eligibility test, and then screening. So that's it for the selection process. Now let's know more about this program's description and signature frameworks. So the intensive 4-month training, this training will go on for 4 months, and the curriculum scope covers data structures, algorithms, system design, profile and resume evaluation, mock interviews, and 12-month placement support, which is, I guess, very helpful for all the candidates who wants to join. 12 month tak placement support milna is, I guess, one of the very nice point. And interviews, mock interviews they are conducting, which is equally helpful and prepares the candidates to join the tech industry very easily. These mock interviews and this placement support is very helpful. And let's have a look at the signature framework. So it is designed by the grand masters of tech. The Great Pyramid and the mind map gives you problems to solve and then lends you new and improved approaches on how to tackle them. These frameworks ensure a 100% improvement in your efficiency at problem solving, rendering you a coding genius and enabling you to crack those intense tech interviews. So basically they have divided their signature frameworks in two parts. First is Great Pyramid and the second is Mind Map. So let's know more about it in a detailed manner about their signature frameworks of this program, DSA and system design from Hey Coach. So under the Great Pyramid signature framework, there are personalized weekly mock interviews conducted in a similar way to a product company interview setup, and they have divided all service and product based companies into 15 levels. So as the candidate keeps clearing these tests and moves to the next level, they get a better clarity of which company interview they will be cracking. So this is, I guess, very useful because once the candidate starts clearing these tests and moves to the next level, they get a better clarity of which company interview they should be preparing for and how much effort they need to put in progress to go to the next level. This is like a nice framework they have done. Other signature framework is DSA Mind Map. Let's know in a detailed manner about this and how it can benefit all the developers and candidates. So under DSA Mind Map, LeetCode has 2700 plus programming questions, and even if learners take 3 hours to solve 5 questions in a day, it will take them 2 years to solve all the questions. Instead, Hey Coach teaches its learners 127 patterns that can be applied to any one of the 2700 plus questions to solve them. Understanding and recognizing these patterns is very important. Ultimately, learners are able to reduce time to solve questions from 50 minutes to 22 minutes with DSA Mind Map. And this is useful when they are giving the final interview in any top product companies where they are expected to solve questions and problems within a certain time limit. So that when there is a time limit, these patterns which Hey Coach is teaching under this DSA Mind Map is very helpful, and it can help the candidates solve questions immediately. It is reducing time from 50 minutes to 22 minutes, which is great, I think. So this mind map is what they are providing. Let me add a personal experience here. I think no other company in the world is offering and providing these tools to make DSA learning very easy and convenient and intuitive. So I think Hey Coach is doing a great job in providing these kinds of tools to make DSA learning so easy and intuitive. So great, I would give a great thumbs up on this one. Now let's talk about the placement statistics and what are the top companies you can expect in placement through Hey Coach. So 1,500 plus learners have been made ready for Mang and big tech companies, and the highest CTC is 98 LPA, and the average CTC is 27 LPA with 300% salary hike, which is, I think, great. And when I talk about placement in top companies, so the companies are Google, Amazon, Meta, Netflix, Flipkart, Zomato, Swiggy, Uber, Razorpay, and many more. So these are the top companies where the learners of Hey Coach are placed at. I think these are all the Mang companies and top product based companies. So I think these are the dream companies of every developer and engineers to get into. I myself have a dream to get into Google. So Hey Coach is doing great job in placing all its learners to these Mang and top product based companies. Now let's talk about the success stories of Hey Coach, and I will be reading a couple of success stories from the alumni who have been placed in top product based companies through Hey Coach. So first one is Monarch Dadekia, who is a software engineer at Razorpay, and let's know what he says about Hey Coach. So he says, I opted for personal coaching to prepare for my interviews. I was assigned a coach who helped me with preparations and guided me throughout the interview process. I now have a steady job with a 200% salary hike. And the other one is Vasupradha R, who is a software engineer at LC Adroit Vantage. And she says, the personalized course structure improved my skills and my mentor helped me identify areas for improvement. It's a game changer for anyone wanting to excel in software development. So these are the real success stories of Hey Coach. Now very important, let's know who are the coaches and mentors in Hey Coach and how they are serving and helping out all the developers and engineers to achieve their dreams. So the coaches are Mang professionals who have been there and done that before. And if I talk about one of the highly rated coaches, she is Drishti Mamtani, who is a Google SD3, and she is helping out all the candidates a very unique direction in achieving and cracking the interviews of top product based companies. And if I talk about the mentors, so the on program completion, the learners are assigned one-to-one mentorship sessions with a mentor, and these mentors are senior SDs in product based companies. They guide the learners in profile building, resume evaluation, and interview strategies. And there is a competitive programming team as well. So they host the doubt solving sessions every week where alternative strategies and solutions to problems are discussed. So these are the mentors and coaches and competitive programming team of Hey Coach, and how they are serving and helping the developers crack interviews in a smooth manner. Now there is a free tool from Hey Coach known as Growth Projection Tool, where applicants can use this tool to analyze how they can get better growth with Hey Coach. So I'll be putting this link in the description. You can check and analyze how to get better with Hey Coach, and I'm sure this might help you in some way. And if I talk about Hey Coach and its recognition, so Hey Coach has been recognized in various media houses like Mint and Outlook and INC 42 for their incredible work, which is incredibly again great. I'm sure you must be wondering, now that I have understood everything, how do I contact these guys? Simple. There's a link in the description box below and you can fill it to get a free career consultation with Hey Coach, and I'm sure they will help you in every way possible. So do reach out to them and in case of any queries related to the things I have discussed, or related to how to crack interviews, or related to Hey Coach, comment down and comment your thoughts, comment your queries, whatever it is, comment down, and I'll try to help you out in every way possible. And yeah, I hope you find this video very informative and useful. So do like and comment down, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll come up with another informative video very soon. And yeah, that's it for this vlog. See you in next one. Bye.